Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download games on PBS Kids app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar. Type in PBS Kids games, and once it loads, tap on the app to simply download the app. You'll get a get button or install button according to your device, and once downloaded, in order to download the game, what you need to do is open up the app. Now once you open up the app, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now in order to download the games, what you need to do is just select the character that you want to download the game of. Let me just select this one, and now in order to download it, just simply select the game, and now you can see the game is being downloaded. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.